Now after that, let us take some question. Like question is saying, find the value of tan 20 to 1 by 2 degree. We want tan 20 to 1 by 2 degrees, since tan 20 to 1 by 2 degree means tan 45 by 2, half angle formula. Since we know that there is a formula of cos 2a is 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. This is the identity of cos 2a. This is the formula of cos 2a. Because it's half angle, we have to think about its multiple. So multiple means 22 1 by 2. When we multiply 22 1 by 2 to 2, we get 45 degree. So this is cos 2a formula. When we frame the formula for tan a, so it has become 1 minus cos 2a upon 1 plus cos 2a. And if you want to prove this 1 minus cos 2a, can we write 2 sin square a, half angle, niche 2 cos square a, 2 cancel, it become tan a. So same manner. So now tan 22 1 by 2, this angle is 1 minus cos 2 into 22 1 by 2, 1 plus cos 2 into 22 1 by 2. That means 1 minus cos 45 upon 1 plus cos 45. As you know the value of 1 minus 1 by root 2, 1 upon 1 plus root 2. So it's root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 plus 1. Take the conjugate, so it become root 2 minus 1 whole square upon 1. So this is root 2 minus 1. So this is the value of tan 22 and a half. So whenever we want the value of tan 22 1 by 2, it's root 2 minus 1. This also an important value. You can learn it, this value of sine 18. Again I repeat, the value of sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4, and tan 22 1 by 2 is root 2 minus 1. These are the two important values. Now some more questions. Try to practice of the multiples angles. Like the question is given, find the value of cot theta minus tan theta. The question is simply cot theta minus tan theta, value of this one. So cot can be write cos theta upon sin theta, or tan can be write sin theta upon cos theta. When we take LCM, it's sin theta dot cos theta, it becomes cos square theta minus sin square theta. Since we know that cos 2 theta, there is a formula of cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So in place of this, we can write cos 2 theta upon, it is sin theta cos theta, multiply by 2 sin theta cos theta, means multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So 2 cos 2 theta as it is, it becomes sin 2 theta, and this forming 2 cot 2 theta. So this is the way we can solve the value. Again, one more question. The question is, find the value of 3 sin 40 minus 4 sin cube 40. This is given. So this formula is look like 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. This has become sin 3A. So sin 3, in place of A we can write 40 degree. So it becomes sin 120, and the sin 120 is root 3 by 2. So this is the simple questions. These types of MCQs coming in the examination also. Suppose a question is given, find the value of 1 upon sine 10 minus root 3 upon cos 10. This is a question is given, find the value. So first of all, you will see whenever denominator contains sine and cos and with along with the same angle, so we will take the LCM, because when sine and cos are coming, like sine theta and cos theta is coming, theta and angle are same, so we will just multiply by 2 and divide by 2. So the numerator becomes sine 2 theta upon 2, multiple of angle this. So sine 10, it becomes cos 10 minus cos 10 is cancelled, root 3 sine 10. Now after that, multiply by 2 and just divide by 2, cos 10 minus root 3 sine 10. So this can be right like 1 by 2, this can be right 2 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sine 10. This can be right numerator, and this can be right 1 by 2 2 sine 10 cos 10. We can write in this manner, because when we multiply 1 by 2 and divide by 2, now see, so 2, this will shifted become 4. This can be right, this is a standard numerical value, this can be right sine 30 cos 10 minus its cos 30 sine 10, and in denominator 2 sine a cos a sine 2a, 2 into 30. In the numerator, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b sine a minus b, 30 minus 10 upon sine 20. So 4, it is sine 20 upon sine 20, and it will be cancelled, we get a result is 4. So this is the way we can solve the values of multiple and submultiple angles. So please try to solve and ask your queries so that we can provide the solution. There are so many good questions in this exercise. Further, we can continue this class day after tomorrow. Thank you.